So, you decided that you want to start up your own YouTube channel after watching a truckload of videos wanting to be like those creators. With your new dream set of reaching 1 million views and getting a fat paycheck on Google, you've just uploaded your first 10 videos and this is your progress. I know, appalling, right? And now you're wondering, how do I get views on YouTube? How can I gain more attention on YouTube? Well, you come to the right place. Yo, what's up guys, my name's Jaffa, and in today's video I'm going to teach you guys how to gain more views on YouTube. This includes secret tips that only the top YouTubers use, such as Mr. Beast and Dream, and I'm going to showcase websites that you've probably never heard of before that are holding you back from reaching your view goals. I'll leave timestamps in each section of the video just to reduce the hassle of finding it yourself, but I'd really appreciate it if you could watch the whole video, as it's one step further to me getting recommended on YouTube. Before the video starts, 98% of you guys are not subscribed.
What the hell?
And you know what this means, alright? Subscribe right now and I'll upload every day.
That's cap! That's cap! That's cap! That's cap!
Stop the cap! Stop the cap right now! Stop the cap! No bullshit, bro!
Also, if you guys want to support me, don't just like the video, smash the like button as hard as you can. I'd really appreciate if you guys liked and subbed to the channel, as it really helps me out and motivates me to produce more content on the channel. Anyway, let's get straight into the video. Have you ever been bored of what comes up on TikTok? No problem. YouTube answers that problem. As you probably know, shorts are racking up millions of views and hundreds of dollars of just pointless video, like literally. I've seen videos where like nothing makes sense, like even my brain is slow or I just can't process one thing that is actually meaningful in any of those videos. Some short videos are actually entertaining, however, and those are the ones that you want to make. By making entertaining shorts, people will become interested in what else you have to offer on your channel, so most people would subscribe. If you want a tutorial on how to actually make shorts, so by that I mean how to edit them, Vegas Pro or Premiere Pro, probably only Vegas because I don't know how to use Premiere Pro, but let me know in the comment section and I'll get working on that video for next Sunday. When people see things in life, the shorter path is always the easiest. Think about this when making a title. For example, if you made a video on how to make pancakes, think about the structure of your title. Do you want details or brief quality titles? Just like my title is what brought you to this video, simply because it's short, readable, and what you searched for. So again, if you're making a pancake tutorial video, how would you name it? Would you name it how to make the best pancakes in 2021 or the best pancake tutorial in 2021? And as you can see, the second option accentuates its point, which means it's the best to offer. If you take a look at my channel, you see that the videos on my channel that do have clean but informing thumbnails, such as my Discord Nitro video, which is currently at 30,000 views in its first 2 weeks, is actually a very big achievement. However, the reason why this video did so well is because the people who search for it see what they want is in my thumbnail, which attracts them to clicking on my video. However, if you're not like me who makes educational content and just makes thumbnails, then just make thumbnails that accentuate the purpose of your video. Again, this always guarantees success. I know this from experiencing it in the past, but a YouTuber's example of this is Mr. Beast. In every video he uploads, he has a way of attracting viewers without having lots of or maybe no text on the thumbnail, and seems to be doing wonders for his channel. Now, tags are the most important thing about any video on YouTube. It doesn't matter how many views your video can get, but the way a tag works is it's like a search term. So if you named your video the best Warzone player and had tags that people who watch Warzone search for, it can lead to gaining millions of views overnight while you sleep like a puppy. And I know you're probably thinking, Jaffa, how do I know what tags to use? But don't worry, this is where Rapid Tag makes your life easy for you. On every single video I upload, I use a website called Rapid Tags. The way this website works, if I made a video on the best loadouts in Warzone, I go to Rapid Tag and I search my title or a search term that I think people would search for, and out comes a bunch of high ranking tags that people are actively searching for with less competition on YouTube. Some may be high competition, but most are less competition, which means that you have an easier chance of your video doing well. I can now go and put this in the tag section of when uploading the video. This is by far the easiest way to gain views on YouTube. I'll leave a link to this in the description through a shrink earn link so I can receive money off this link. If you'd like to support me, please use the link as it helps me out a lot in case this video gets limited or demonetized like my past video. But if you don't want to support me, it doesn't really matter. Just search up rapid tags on Google or any other web browser and it should be the first thing that comes up. Link in the description. In this YouTube world, the algorithm means a lot. There are a couple factors that make up the algorithm, with one of them being expected watch time. Expected watch time is an assumption made by YouTube on your audience retention. In short, this just means how many people actually watch your videos and not just click on them and watch them for a couple seconds. How much time they spend on the videos, usually summed up in minutes. But you're probably thinking, what does this have to do with views? Simple. The longer the user watches a video for, that time increases, meaning YouTube are seeing that people are interested in your content. So what they do is suggest, or you could say what most people say, recommend these videos to other viewers who might share the same interest. To instead not send it to your current community, but to send it to also a new community, people that might have not heard of you yet or might have seen your videos and they want to keep on recommending it so they can help you grow. This is what I don't get on my channel. My retention is around 1 to 2 minutes, but I want it to go up to around 4 to 5, so make sure that you watch the whole video through because that would really help me and I'd really appreciate it. Anyways, we've reached the end of my video. If you're still watching, comment Jaffa cakes on top. If this video really helped you out, or you just happen to come to this video because you like my content, please like the video and subscribe, as it really shows support towards my channel. Join my Discord server if you want to get in touch with me and other people in the community. And I'm also looking for someone to rebuild my Discord server. So if you're experienced in building really good Discord servers, hit me up on Discord. Follow me on Twitter as I basically spend my whole life there. And yeah, thanks guys for watching the video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.